Hey everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you for joining me here on the FreeMelon Society again. I'm Eli Martyr. Just got a couple updates for you as we roll into 2024. A couple years ago, I missed last year, but the year prior, I attended the Soulshine Festival in Toronto. Well, not in Toronto, north of the city. Beautiful, beautiful property, about an hour and a half or so north of Toronto. Anyway, took part in the Soulshine Festival, which is an event that is interested in developing and cultivating different elements of human life that evolve the consciousness. Healers and yoginis and yogis and sound healers, nutritionists, just all sorts of uplifting endeavors, workshops and lessons being given, vegan, plant-based food options, music and dancing, camping out on the grounds. It was wonderful. It's a wonderful event. And so anyhow, the Soulshine group is hosting the Soulshine Social, and I'll be running a movement workshop on the day. There's going to be different workshops. So we've got a think workshop, a feel workshop, an action workshop, an interactive Soulshine jam, and then some performances. So, needless to say, I'll be doing the action workshop at the Soulshine Social. So that's January 28th from 2 o'clock till 10 p.m. So 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. And that'll be held at 927 DuPont. I'll include some links in the description so you can go and check it out for yourself. Okay, in other news, later on this year, in February 23rd to March 1st, okay, so that's February 23rd to March 1st, the Tanglewood Fruit Festival is going down in Costa Rica this year, February 23rd to March 1st. And I've been given the very distinct honor of coming down to the Fruit Festival and doing a couple lectures for everyone there on some important topics. Those details will probably come later on, but of course, we're talking health, wellness, fasting, spirituality, all that good stuff. Okay, so yeah, we're going to be in Costa Rica February 23rd to March 1st. So if you're planning on attending the Fruit Festival in Costa Rica, then I will see you. I will see you there. If you click the link that I have for the Tanglewood Fruit Festival, it'll be in the description below this video, then you'll get a good discount. You'd get a good discount, help yourself out, and you'd also be helping to support this channel. So win-win all around, right? So if you do want to go, then definitely click the link below. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the Tanglewood Fruit Festival in February. I think that's about it for the updates. Yeah, I'll be doing another little spot on Gillian Berry's channel later on this month. It was funny, I was actually watching a video on Gillian's, I think it was on Gillian's Instagram. There's something you guys might not know about Gillian. And I've had a lot of time to correspond with her over the last couple of years. And anyway, so here's how it works. Apparently, she's got this issue that's been diagnosed as frugivorage. And what frugivorage is it's this condition where upon the sight of fruit, you are driven into a bloodthirsty, vehement rage.
My daughter tells me there's a way to open a pineapple without a knife. Show us how you do it.
Okay, so first you gotta twist off the top.
Okay, I've never twisted off a top without a knife. Oh, wow.
And I didn't really know that she was afflicted by frugivorage until she uploaded a video where I saw her trigger fruit. Because everybody that suffers from this condition they have a particular fruit that is a bit more triggering than others, right? It's kind of like an allergy. Some people are triggered by a particular food and other people aren't, right? So I discovered that pineapples was Gillian's trigger for frugivorage. And so, yeah, she had uploaded this video, and it's It's very alarming to see just how much raw sheer power she had locked away inside of her that got released when the rage kind of built up and exploded out from her nervous system into that poor pineapple.
See, what the heck?
And now you smash it on.
Jesus Christ, I can almost feel my body shaking through the tremors through the screen. Now the problem, of course, in me relaying this story is that Gillian will surely hear that I'm making this reference to her in this video. I'm taking this much of a chunk out of this video dedicated solely to talking about Gillian's Frugiver rage. The Gillian will be quite displeased when she hears of this, that not only have I brought this up, but I'm replaying her mercilessly smashing that pineapple so many times. I just wanted to let you guys know so that you could be prepared for the worst if you're unfortunate enough to not know that she has this thing with pineapples, and you might bring it up if you ever come across her, and she'll kill you. Right? Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Thank you so much for joining me here on the FreeMelon Society. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, love you very much. Bye-bye.